discuss pivot. So firstly, why we need pivot? So pivot we can use for the summarizing of data. So whenever we use pivot, that means we are summarizing the number of data in small table, or we can say in small row and columns. So whenever we need to summarize the data, so we can use pivot. So firstly, let's talk about how where we can find this excel function. Firstly, you have to go in insert table, and there is showing the pivot table. So here you can find your pivot, or you can just click alt and then V. So you can select the range, then T. So firstly you have to select range, so it automatically select the range. Then there is option where you want to see your summary data in new worksheet or existing worksheet. So let's do on new worksheet. So if we choose the new worksheet, so just click on OK. You get here a pivot table option, and there is one pivot table fields, and there are two and three option are automatically open: pivot table, analyze, and design. Now we can easily select all the things like here. So it's firstly when we select the model, so here is showing the model. Or if we want to select brand, so here brand name, then you can select the country sale in here, and you can check the list price here, so you can easily get the information. Like Canon in Canada, in Japan, in Mexico, in South Korea, and USA, and grand total is here, and same like this, you get the information. So like this whole data summarize within only this small sheet. Okay, so we can use this function for the summarizing of data. Now let's take one example. Let's assume if I deleted this one. Firstly check uh, Sony brand. It is Sony. If I deleted Sony, so there is showing any there will be change or not if I delete this one. So let's take an example. If I delete this row, so pivot table show any changes or not. So here you can't see any changes because we have to refresh. If we refresh, then we get the correct information, otherwise we don't get the correct information. Here let's redo. Here again I'm deleting this one again. You can check this one, not showing anything. Okay, so take one more I'll tell you this formula in next video. Firstly I'll share one how we can get the correct information. So first option is this: you have to click on the right hand side button, then refresh it, so you will get the correct information here in last row. Okay, you can see. And I just change this one. Okay, undo all the things. So In tomorrow class, I'll share you the second scenario where we get the information when we change anything here, automatically change here. We don't need to refresh anything. So tomorrow we will discuss this.